Jatend kweth mathoth od bura mamalo Kimani Ichung'wa osewajalup jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua ewi kit siasa ma okoni olororego mana masawa mar piny Kenya kar mondo otine oganda jo Kenya duto. Magitimore kinde mag gavana ma Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njugu osiemo jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua mondo mi owe nywando genni mawuok masawa mar Kenya e pogruok e kindgi kod jatend piny Kenya William Ruto. Kaluwore kod Njuki, amen ma Gachagua omako kod jatend piny Kenya William Ruto nyalo biro thiro dongruok mag kauntis 11 mayudre alwora mar God Kenya.
Wakati umechaguliwa kuwa kiongozi wa taifa, wewe kazi yako ni kuunganisha Wakenya wote wa jamii zote. Therefore, those who are asking our president to retreat to his locality and to unite his people, we want to tell them loudly and clearly that the president and the presidency is a symbol of national unity. And we must unite all the people of Kenya from all communities, all regions. And I want to ask President William Ruto not to allow himself, not to allow any of our leaders to be taken down the path of ethnicity, tribal-based politics, or ethnic cult-based politics.
Mlitupigia kura tukiwa president na deputy president, mkisikia kuna vurugu hapo, kaeni mbali, msikuje karibu. Wananchi waendelee kufanya kazi yao. Hata Muthomi Njugu akuja kumuita kumwambia sisi kama community fulani tunaandamwa, kataeni. Kwa nini? Kwa sababu hamkutafuta serikali ili mrudi tena kwa siasa, ama hamkutafuta serikali ili turudi tena kupigania serikali nyingine. Serikali ni hii, ile tunangoja na ile maendeleo tuliambiwa, ile ahadi tulipewa.